in this video today, I'm going to show you how I achieved this short do-it-yourself spring twist at home. So if you guys want to see that, ensure that you stick around and continue watching this video. Okay, so first thing first, I already did the back of my head. And we are using the rubber band method today. But I'm not going to be using the crochet method, just the rubber band. So you have to stick around and see how that goes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my rubber bands and I'm just going to put it in this can right here. Then I am going to take my go-to oil, which is the argan oil, and I am just going to mix that on it. Take my rat tail comb and just mix that around. Then I am just going to go in with my Shine and Jam to define the parting. After I define my parting, I'm just going to go ahead and section out the portion that I want to use as my baby hair. And then I'm just going to go in with the Shine and Jam. Just going to take one of the oil rubber bands and basically just secure my hair. So I went ahead and finished parting my hair off camera, and this is what it is looking like. It is exactly 30 parts. The hair that I'm going to be using today is from Sammy Soap, and this is what their packaging looks like. It comes with a crochet needle, 2 clips, and accessories as well. And this is what the package looks like. It comes with about 8 in the package. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically get 2 strands. Then I am just going to fluff this out. So this is what it should be looking like. Now after I went ahead and fluffed it out, I am going to go in again with my Shine and Jam on my entire hair. Then I'm going to go in with the Maurice beeswax on my ends. Then I take my Shine and Jam and rub it into my natural hair. And on the ends, I take the beeswax. Then I ensure that it is in half. Make a little twine, because this twine is what's basically going to hide the rubber band. Then I go ahead and use my natural hair as the third in the 3-part braid that I'm going to be doing. And I braid 5 times. Then when I finish braiding 5 times, I split my natural hair into half, 1 on each side, and then I go ahead and do my twist, and I twist to the left. Remember, while you're twisting in your natural hair, to ensure that it is as tight as possible so that it doesn't pull. And also I get some more beeswax to add while twisting the hair. I twist all the way down. When I get to the end, I let it go to see how it looks. Then I go ahead and add my rubber bands to the ends. Then I take some beeswax and I basically do the hair like this for it to get that nice curly head. Now I am going to go over this one more time again for those who are visual learners without talking. This is what the hair is looking like after I'm done. So what I'm going to do now is take my mousse to set the hair. After I finish setting the hair, I'm going to go in with my argan oil. Then I am going to go in with the Olin spray, and the Olin spray that I'm using today is from Sebastian, and this smells really good. Then I'm going to go in with some ORS oil sheen to put some sheen on my hair. This style is so cute. Like, if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. When you guys like and share and comment on my video, it helps my channel. So until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.